Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and I did this super quick and easy 5-minute makeup tutorial, and yeah, let's just jump right into it. All right, so let's get into this super quick and easy 5-minute makeup tutorial, and it's only going to have 5 products as well, which makes it super easy. But my skin is okay. I've been breaking out really bad on the right side of my face. So while this is still a quick and easy look, I want to make sure that I can cover as much as I can, just because I don't want that peeking through and especially want it to last throughout the day. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I absolutely love this. I used to swear by the MAC Face and Body, but as I've been breaking out a lot, the coverage isn't the best in my opinion for that. So I've already started with a moisturized face and I'm just jumping into this. Now I always try to bring down a little bit on my neck, and I know that a lot of people say that, but my pet peeve is when I see people and you clearly see that there's no blending from the neck onto the face. Now, you could definitely use your fingers for this foundation, especially because it's so lightweight. But I just feel like it ends up being really streaky for me. I know that a lot of people say that it blends in really well with their fingers, but unfortunately for me, that's not the case. So with this foundation in particular, I really like using a brush since a beauty blender kind of picks up all the product. Now, this definitely has more coverage than something like the MAC Face and Body. As you can see, this has evened out my skin tone a lot and just provided a little bit of extra coverage. Now, personally, I like to go in with a concealer and conceal my under eyes and add in a little bit where my blemishes are. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, and then I just take a beauty blender. Sorry, this is dirty, but I used it yesterday and I was not about to clean it. And just blend that in. I also take it on top of my eyelids as well, especially since I kind of do this look every day, like for work and things like that. I usually don't go really crazy doing any of that stuff. Also, and then I kind of let the concealer on my pimples sit a little bit more, or my breakouts, you know, let's not say pimples, but just so that it kind of has a little bit of time to dry and it gives it a little bit more coverage. I am actually waiting for the Nars Soft Matte Concealer to see if that actually covers a little bit better than the Radiant Creamy Concealer, even though the Radiant Creamy is really nice. And now my next step would be bronzer. I absolutely love the Cover FX bronzer, and it is a really nice matte and shimmery bronzer. I mix them together and I just put that on. So when I apply bronzer, I usually do just right here and I bring it all the way over my cheeks, on my nose, and kind of like connect it across for that sun-kissed look. I really like that look and I don't wear blush on a daily basis. So this kind of goes as a 2-in-1 for me, as my bronzer and my blush. And then I move on to brows. Now, right now my brows are super crazy due to the pandemic. I have not gotten them done. So I just brush them a little bit so they don't look so crazy, and fill in any sparse areas just so that they look a little bit more clean, even though they're a hot mess express. And finally is mascara. So I am super about mini mascaras. I don't go through mascara that often just because I've been on something that I don't really wear a lot of makeup every day. So I absolutely love getting these minis, and this is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Volume Mascara. And so I'm just gonna put on some mascara. All right, so that's all it for this super quick and easy makeup tutorial. I know that this is something really simple that everybody can do. You can definitely use whatever products you have at home, but it's always good to keep in mind a very quick and easy 5-minute routine. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.